In this video, I'm going to go over how to do the grader projects, which is the second part of your homework each week for all the chapters. In my last video, I explained the simulation, which was in a virtual environment that you're actually working on your homework assignments. In this particular approach, you're actually getting experience using the native Word, Excel, and Access application on your computer. So you do need to have a PC or Mac for the Word and Excel, and then you need PC to do the Access version of this class. So the approach here is a little bit different because you're actually going to be downloading some files and following some instructions and then uploading your files to get it graded. And then you do have multiple attempts similar to the simulation to try to get your grade increased. So if I click on the Word 2016 Skills Approach, Chapter 1, Challenge Yourself 1.3, I'm going to click on that. It's going to take me into SimNet. The first thing it wants you to look at is their online best practices. So if I click on that, it's going to give you some guidelines that you'll want to follow each time you're working on these grader projects. It's going to give you some hints as far as using single space after punctuation, using the correct version of MS Office. For instance, you can sometimes get away with 2013 in this class, but not always. So you should be either using 2016 or Office 365 to ensure that you're going to get credit on these projects. You're going to be given a start file. You need to make sure you use your own start file that you download. It's actually how it kind of enforces the academic integrity of files. So everybody gets their own start file, and there is specific information embedded in there that the software recognizes when you re-upload it. So if you were to get, say, someone else's file that they worked on, the system will know that the file is not yours. Also be careful with copying and pasting too much from the assignment. It actually has ways of tracking that as well. So if you were to get an assignment from somewhere else and copy paste it into your own, the software will flag that in the system for me to see. So you should be reading through this and following the instructions that they're going to give you. And I'm going to kind of quickly go through how to go through the project. This is kind of doing it in text, but I'm going to walk you through it. So I'm going to close this, best practices, and then I have to acknowledge that I've read it. So the first step is to download the file. And you'll notice here under optional downloads, we have the best practices, which is what we just had read. And then there's also the solution file. The solution file shows you what it's going to look like in the very end in a PDF format so that you have something to work from as you're working on this. Then under instructions, you'll see that there's instructions for both the Mac, if you're using Mac 2016, or Windows. I'm going to click on the Windows instructions. I do recommend that you print these out as you're working on them. It just makes it easier as you're doing the homework. So you're going to print out these instructions, and then you're going to see it's going to say step 1 is download the start file. It will automatically be renamed to include your name in the title. You do not need to change it. I'm not asking you to make any changes to that, so just save it as is. And then it's going to go through and ask you to do a number of things in that particular document. And then the start file is down here, so I'm going to click on that as well. Open that, and this is my starting file. I'm going to make sure you click Enable Editing. And this is my starting file. If I go back to my instructions over here, it wants you to change the zoom to 100%, which mine currently is. It's down here. That's the first instruction. It wants you to place the cursor at the end of the first paragraph after the text marketing assistant and type the following text. So here you notice it's asking you to type, not copy paste. So it's here. After reading your job description, And I should put a space in between this and assistant. I am confident that my skills and my passion for marketing are a perfect match for this position. Then it says select the text very soon at the end of the last paragraph and delete it from the document. And so on and so forth. So you see it's going through the whole thing. I'm not going to do all of these. I'm just going to do a couple. And then I'm going to save this. And you'll see here it put in demo student 11, which is the name of my student account. So I'm going to do a file save as, and I'm just going to put this somewhere. I'm actually going to put it on my desktop. Make it easier. And then I'm going to go back to here and I'm going to click upload my file. Now I didn't do everything that was expected, so I'm not going to get 100, but you're going to see what the results look like. So I'm going to click on find my file, which is under desktop. I'm going to find my file here, demo student. Click open. I'm going to say yes, submit the file. And you can see here, this is the results, and it's now been graded. So I got a 40%. Didn't do too well, but you'll see where I received things wrong. So it's not gonna, it's listing the things where it says use a replace command to replace the first instance of the word capabilities with the word skills. I didn't do that, so therefore I didn't get credit for it, so it was incorrect. I didn't do number 8, use the cut and paste commands, and I didn't do number 9. It looks like the things that I did do were correct though. However, had I not done something correct, it would have told me. Now the good news about this is that I don't have to completely start over from scratch with this. I can actually stay with this and work with this same file and keep changing it and keep re-uploading it to see how it affects my grade. So I'm going to go back one screen. And you can see here now it shows my attempt 1 that I got a 40%. You can actually reattempt this 99 times to increase your grade. So I'm going to go back and actually change a couple things. I'm actually going to make something wrong so that you can see what happens here. So I just took out one word that was supposed to be there. I saved it. I'm closing it. I'm going to upload again. Okay, so now I'm down to a 20% because you can see here on number 4, it's showing that I don't have the right, I did not put the right text in, which is correct. And you can see it says 4.A over here, and it's referencing 4.A here. So it will show you where you've made mistakes and where you need to fix it. So this is how you do the grader projects. Like I said, you can resubmit the file as many times as you need. If you lose your file, the good news is it's right here. It says download your submitted file. You won't lose your work. So I recommend that even if you're working on this and say you don't get it all done, I recommend uploading it because there is 99 attempts. You can actually use this for file storage so that you don't need to keep track of your files. It's kind of like using a Google Drive kind of approach. And it'll grade it and it'll show you what you haven't done yet, but at least you'll have a copy of it to work on when you're ready to continue with it. Also with the simulators, just to clarify, the simulators do have the ability to save and for you to exit and to go back into that simulator as well and complete it at a later time. So there's a lot of flexibility with the SimNet software. Some students do struggle a little bit with the greater projects in terms of interpreting the errors. So again, if you're having problems, just let me know and I can go in and look at your particular submission and see what's going on, and get you some clarification on the project. So I hope this is helpful to you as you start the homework this week. Please know that I'm available here to help you whenever you need it. Just send me an email, post on the Word forum, and I'll get back to you fairly quickly. Have a good week.